Hi, welcome to JW Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example parenthesis 0.4 whole square multiply 0.3 whole square. So there are two parentheses and power included. So first of all, we simplify the power and then we simplify the mm, multiplication. So here 0.4 multiply 0.4. So 0 4 for the 16 and 4 0 the 0. So here we write the 1 16 multiply 0 for the 0 and 0 0 the 0. So 16 1 and 0 and point after two decimal place from right to left 0.16. So 0.16 we write here and here multiplication symbol, and we solve the 0.3 multiply 0.3. So 3 3 the 9 and 3 0 the 0 multiply 0 3 the 0 and 0 0 the 0. So here we write 9 0 and 0 and point after two decimal place 1 and 2. So here we write the 1 and 2 and here we write decimal place 0.09. So we write the 0.09 here. So at the last we multiply 0.16 multiply 0.09. So here we write 0.16 multiply 0.09. So how to multiply? We solve multiplication of this number 0.16 multiply 0.09. 9 6 the 54. 9 6 the 54. So here we write the 4 and 5 9 1 the 9 9 and 5 14 4 here 9 0 the 0 and 1 remaining. So 144 multiply 0 6 the 0 0 1 the 0 and 0 0 the 0 multiply here and we write at the last 0 6 the 0 0 1 the 0 and 0 0 the 0. So here after we sum of all these 4 4 1 0 0 and decimal place, how to write decimal place 1 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 0.0144 0.0144 is right final answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next inserting video.